Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a VPN in OmeTV for Android. So you can change OmeTV country in your Android device. So here there are a lot of VPN app. But before we talk about VPN, make sure you install the OmeTV on your Android. Also, if you already installed this app on your system, please keep up to date. So you can launch a video chat and open the world of unlimited fun with one swipe. So here, after you install and create your account, you can try to search the VPN. For example, the most or the top VPN that you can find on your system, on your country. For example, is about like a Turbo VPN, Thunder VPN, Super VPN, so on. So let's try install one VPN like this one. And here you can also change your country manually, like you want to explore another country, but with the VPN you can get more precise. So you can turn on your VPN first. So here let's try search the location that you want. So here we use a United States, Washington, and then now you can open your OmeTV, and now you can start the OmeTV. By using this video chat, you can confirm that you are an adult and agree to OmeTV rules. Rules violators will be banned, and try to keep your face visible in camera frame. So you can change the country also by United States, and now you can begin to search your friend in order to use this OmeTV as a video chat app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.